So Joe's created a quick little survey here. What time do you prefer? June 1st to June 30, June 15th, July 15th, July 15th to August 15th. We're going to do the Raw Till 4 Thai Fruit Festival for 4 weeks next year. It's going to be the biggest free fruitarian and vegan event on the planet. It's going to be the longest event. It's the longest vegan and raw foods event on the planet. 4 weeks next year in 2015. It's free to attend. There's no tickets. There's no elitism. There's no hierarchy. No one's getting paid to be there. We're just taking the money away and make it just a more authentic, real experience. So post it down below. What is your dates you prefer? What would you like to see at this year's event, next year's event? What didn't you like about this year's event? Post it down below. And go, most importantly, go to this little Facebook page on the Raw Till 4 Thai Festival and click vote what you want, because with the most votes will win in terms of what dates to do it. Alright, get onto it. We'll see you next year. Carb the fuck up. Have a good day.